So welcome back everyone. Now we are going to start we are going to see how to simulate a model. So let's start. This is the window that opens. This is the main window where you can see view the model in different view like standard architectural view, do the mapping, do the aura simulation, tracing and mirror. Okay, so we are going to room edit. In the room edit, click on room edit and modify the data. So as we click on the modify data, a new window opens at the base bar. So open this. Now expanding this, expand this, and then you can go to some view like plan view. See, in last turn we placed an area that has in which the mapping will take place. So we can view the properties of this area, its coordinates. These are the coordinates. So let it be. These three are the loudspeakers that are placed here. Okay, and so first you can view the room RT. This is the room RT that is coming. That is the reverberation time. So we are interested in the mapping. So first go to the edit and check the data. So it will this here it's showing the results. Checked is true, means now you can run the simulations. Now you can directly go to the mapping, area mapping. So click on this, one click, another window will open. Click on this and expand this. Now you can go to this, recalculate the mapping and check the data. Noise is 40 dB and the type of calculation, split time, noise. Okay, audience area is A1. We have only one. This is the settings. Now select the loudspeakers. We will select all three loudspeakers because we have placed three loudspeakers. Click on OK. This is the patch size. Okay, you can patch size is the area mapping. You can the what we call it, the resolution. So we will do it as 1 so that it becomes faster, and isoline is 1 dB. Every 1 dB decay it will show a line, and then click on OK. Now this is the type of mapping that has been generated. So the maximum and the minimum values are already showing, and this is the type of mapping that has been generated. Now since we can increase the resolution so that the final mapping is there, you can do that like decrease this patch size. So if you click on OK, it will take some time and it will do the simulation. So this is the time that has been taken. You need to have a good system for this, for better mapping. Now I'm going to abort it because it's taking time. Escape, yes, and then we are going to some other mapping like this. Go for the critical distance like this and click on OK. Now it will calculate the critical distance. Now we'll cancel it. We will increase the patch size so that it takes less time, 1.0. Click on OK. So this is the critical distance that is coming. So this is just a method of how we are doing the simulations, how we can run the simulations. This is a step. So this video was up to here. We will meet in the next video. So So thank you.